In this next problem, we are asked to model 900%. Now, 900% means the same thing as 900 out of 100, because percent means out of 100. Which, if I took 900 and divided it by 100, I would get 9. So I could draw in 900 of the squares. I would need 9 10 by 10 grids. And if I would color all of these in completely, then I would end up, so I would have to color in all 9 of these in order to have 900%, because that's over 100%. Matter of fact, it's 9 times that amount.